Hey YouTube, this is Andy from Little RV Big Life, and today we are talking about leather care. Specifically, changing your truck's seats from looking like this to looking like this. And this is how we're gonna do it. So there's a few things that you're gonna need. One, your leather conditioner. This specifically is King Ranch leather conditioner. A clean towel, and you'll need some leather. How we're gonna use some of this King Ranch leather conditioner is you'll apply a little bit of it to a clean towel. This one here is a lot bigger than one that you'll probably want to use. You may want to check with your significant other, because a face or a hand cloth, or washcloth, might be a lot better than a hand towel. Just because it's a little bit smaller, it's easier to work with. I know when I was doing mine, there was a lot of issue with it flopping around and getting into tight spaces. So what I did, so I will just take a little dab of this, put it on the corner there, and then you'll just rub it right into the leather. Now the drier the leather is, the more that it's actually going to soak into one spot. You're not going to get very good coverage on really, really dry leather. And it's going to turn kind of dark like this. And you're actually going to get some splotchiness and things like that. Sometimes that's due to other oils that may have been introduced into the leather, or it may have different hydration levels throughout that specific piece of leather. After it's dried, it'll dry completely fine. It'll dry into a nice, clean looking, hydrated piece of leather. Now you can use this type of leather conditioner on many different things. I use it on my belts. This is a hatchet cover actually that's been sat out in the sun. It's fairly dry to the touch. Now the leather is going to react almost identically to your skin. So the drier you are, the more you're gonna absorb in a lotion or some type of skin conditioner. And the better hydrated that you are, the more coverage that you're gonna get. So in the time lapse, you'll actually see that I go back over the front seats a little bit, and one of those little dots of cream actually covers a lot more the second time over after they've actually got some moisture in those seats. So let's head out to the truck and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, we are back and we have some moisture in these seats. They're going to last for a long time in this condition, and even better if you keep it up to date. So go ahead and keep your seats clean, keep them moisturized, and we'll see you on the flip side. Mac, what you grumping for?